Hello, so right, this is pretty cool. This is a new feature that I've just found out on the TV. So let's get you down a bit more, there we go. The Apple Airplay, really cool, didn't even know it was on it. Right, so you don't really need to set it up. I'm using the onboard mics on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, see how that is. It's not too bad at the moment. Right, so I can't remember where I found it. I believe it was in the settings. Come on, to get it sort of going. Come on, load up. Come on. Let me stand back here and then we can see it all properly and you can hear me. Right, so there we go. The settings, and I think it was in connected devices. Yeah. So you'll need to sort of have a look at it in here first, set up how you want it to be, if you wanted it to require a code the first time. No idea how HomeKit works. Absolutely no idea. Something I'll probably have to have a look at. That's to turn things on and off, but I don't ever really use that because normally it uses the Apple version of the Alexa. So that's all sort of set up there. So what you then do is get your iPhone, your other iPhone. Let's get that back onto a different screen. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at my videos that I've done. Not that one. That one in here. So basically, you just choose your video. Try and find one that's quite long. Let's get that one of the squirrel in the garden. So you've got it there on your phone. Go in there, press your share button thing. That's not the right. It's better if you do it that way. Scroll down and it will say Airplay. Click Airplay. Wait for the menu. That is what this TV is called. And it's going to ask for the pin. I don't know why it's asking. Maybe it's because I went back in. Oh, because I've not used this phone on it yet. I used the other one. So pop that in and there we go. And I don't know if it... Here we go. Streaming off of my iPhone. As you can see, we do have some borders around. So I don't know if that's just... that is because this is not a video from my iPhone. It's from Fuji HX-H1, always get that wrong. And it looks really good. That looks really, really good. That looks better than the one that I put on YouTube. Pretty happy with that. A new little feature, little hidden away thing there that I've not seen and no one's really mentioned. So that's an extra cool little feature, and you can stream on your device and you can obviously put sound in, but I don't think there was any sound on this video. No idea. Let's see if you can turn it up. Yeah, so you can turn it up and that there as well. Pretty cool. So let's see. Bit loud. So one of my videos. Wow, that was a bit loud, wasn't it? I must have had this turned up a bit too much. Let's just see how that plays. Oh, it's the squirrel one. So the original video looks better because obviously it's a higher res video than what this is. But yeah, I'm happy with that. That's a really cool thing. Sky, thanks for. And if you want to stop, I think you just swipe away. There we go, and it should go back to whatever else there. So yeah, thanks Apple. That's really cool. Excuse me, still got my silly cough. An extra feature that none of us knew that we had. Well, I think it might have been something that's been added since we had the big silly problem, you know, that problem, where we couldn't turn our tellies on, stuck on standby problem. I think they've rolled out that update of whatever fixed the problem there, and then they've been doing updates in the background, which is what caused this problem in the first place. It was probably trying to implement this, because as you know, I have been having silly little problems with it buffering. Not quite like that, that's more of a robot, isn't it? Anyway, you know what to do, people. Thanks for watching.